Udokotela Senathi Fisher uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ubuholi bakuleli buwele izandleni zomuntu wesifazane njengoba omengameli besilisa ngaphambilini behlulekile ukuletha uguquko ezweni. Uthi iqembu lakhe lizobeka phambili ukulingana kwawo wonke umuntu kuleli.
The equality from the woman's side. South Africa has always been led by men, and then even after democracy, we continue to be led by a man. And I believe that the equality now should go on the side of women. Let there be new leadership in South Africa because the men has failed to turn things around.
Ufisha uthi uyawaseka umshwalense wezempilo i-National Health Insurance Bill ocikicwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa namhlanje ePitoli.
I am a healthcare practitioner, but having been seeing many people for so many years who cannot afford a proper service, who has become disabled because of an operation that was wrong, whose parents and relatives have died because of a mistake in the hospital of public service. I strongly support the NHI.
I-ACP yethembisa ukuqinisa ezokuphepha kulelizwe iphinde ilwe nesihlava sokubulawa kwabantu besifazane nezingane.